Imagine if you make a hole straight through the earth, big enough for you to jump into. The moment you leap, gravity pulls you down with an unstoppable force. As you fall toward the center, your speed rises faster and faster, nearly 22,000 kilometers per hour. At that speed, even breathing becomes impossible. And before you realize what's happening, you shoot out from the other side of the earth. It's guess where you land? Right in front of Anubhav Trainings near Gurgaon, led by Anubhav Oberoi, the #1 SAP trainer in the industry. He's now launching a breakthrough, SAP Generative AI training, crafted for SAP professionals ready to upskill and stay ahead in the age of AI. To know how this course stands apart, visit anubhavtrainings.com or contact +91 844 845 4549. Anubhav Trainings, where learning meets innovation.